Hi, I'm Paul Bonner, and September is the perfect time to give your Honda the care it deserves. At Conicelli Honda Service Center, we're rolling out fantastic specials all month long. To start, we have our $54.95 conventional oil change. Keep your engine running smoothly and efficiently to ensure your car stays in peak condition this coming up fall. Need new tires? We've got you covered. Buy 4 tires and get $50 off your purchase, or save $10 per tire. Whether it's a smooth ride, better fuel efficiency, or top-notch safety, the right tires make all the difference. Oh, and don't forget about your alignment. Our 4-wheel alignment special is just $110. Proper alignment means better handling, longer tire life, and more comfortable drive. Let us help you drive with confidence this fall. Simply call 888-289-5948 or visit ConicelliService.com to schedule your appointment today. Conicelli Honda Service Center, a nice place to do business.